Everyone, this is Mitali here from Fabulous You, and this is the second part on the Western dresses collection woolen, which I'm going to show. Booking number is 9711952266. So this is the second part. If you're not able to view the first part, please do WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number 9711952266. We'll forward you the same, and please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also do follow my Facebook page. So let us start off with the second part, and this is a lovely dress. You can see it's a very beautiful dress, and this one, the size which will fit 38, 40, 42, 44, 46. Okay, the size which will fit 38, 40, 42, 44, 46. बहुत ही प्यारा सा ड्रेस है. It is not woolen, but ये थोड़ा सा velvety उसमें है. ठीक है, and very stretchable, and below also it is very layered. So it's a warm dress only, but not woolen. Okay, you can grab this dress for all for flat 750 free shipping. So here comes a beautiful brown color dress. इसका sleeve बहुत ही प्यारा है. It comes with like this, and ये जो size है, the size which will fit 38, 40, 42. Okay, the size which will fit 38, 40, 42. It comes with a very decent length, 38, 40, 42. You can grab this dress for 750 free shipping. Hello. So this one is the very beautiful black color dress, and it comes with the pocket, and इसका next side ऐसा रहेगा. It comes with the pocket, and इस पे भी आपका pocket style में design है. There is no pocket, but you'll be getting pocket over here. And this one, the size which will fit आपका 38 को भी आ जाएगा, as I'm wearing 38, 40, 42, 44, 46. Very stretchable, बहुत stretchable dress है. 38, 40, 42, 44, 46 को आ जाएगा. It comes with the belt also. So here you can see it's a beautiful brown color dress. Okay, and इसमें sides में आपका ऐसे cut रहेंगे. It comes with a button and the side cut, and this is little bit on a tying thing ताकि आप लगे कि आपने wrapper डाला है. So this one, the size which will fit, perfectly fitting my size, 32, 34, 36, 38. 4 sizes can go. 32, 34, 36, 38 can go for this beautiful, very smart brown dress. So here comes again a black dress, and इसका जो this is like a shrug come dress. Okay, जो मैंने पहले भी दिखाया था, which comes with the belt, that is like also a shrug come dress. So आपका जो वो वाला मैंने with belt दिखाया था, that the 38, 40, 42 can go आराम से. और अगर आपको ओपन करना है 44, 46 ऐसे, तो वो ओपन में आ जाएगा. लाइक दिस वन, द सेम साइज. ये आपका जो साइज है, सॉरी, 38 को भी आ जाएगा. अदरवाइज 40, 42, 44. 40, 42, 44 can go. These are openable, so you can wear like a shrug, you can wear like a dress as well. Very premium, soft quality, warm piece है. This one is, you can grab this dress for 750 free shipping. Next there is one piece. ये मुझे बाद में, ये बहुत ही cute सा piece है. Okay, very cute piece. It comes with the Mickey and comes with the pocket, and इसका inside का भी ना, ये देखिए आपका double layers में है, and inside is very warm, extremely warm. ठीक है, हवा नहीं आने वाला है. This one only the defect is ये मेरे को आने के बाद दिख गया. So this one, if anyone wants to take, they can grab this for 650 free shipping. बहुत ही प्रीमियम पीस है. हवा बिल्कुल नहीं घुस रहा है. अपने बच्चों के लिए ले सकते हैं, पैंट्स के साथ, स्टॉकिंग्स के साथ, लेगिंग्स के साथ. They can go for this. The size which will fit 30, 32, 34. Okay, the size which will fit 30, 32, 34. बहुत ही प्यारा पीस है. ओनली मुझे ये डिफेक्ट बाद में दिख गया. That is the reason I am giving it for 650 free shipping. Here comes a beautiful piece, you can see, and it comes with the side slit also. It comes with the side slit. 38, 40, 42 can go. Okay, 38, 40, 42 can go for this. It's in a brown gray combination. Okay, brown gray combination में आएगा in 38, 40, 42. This is a very smart dress. ये आपका completely ऐसे overlapping style में आएगा. So you need to tie a knot over here. And this one, it's in maroon color. Okay, it's in maroon color, and the size which will fit 40, 42, 44. The size which will fit 40, 42, 44. देखिए, I wear 38. If anyone is okay to wear this dress in this pattern, then they can also go. Okay, 30 वैसे normally it is 40, 42, 44 can go for this beautiful dress. It comes with the side slit as well. So here comes in coffee brown color. ये coffee brown color में है. It comes with the pocket as well. ठीक है? It comes with the pocket as well. Coffee brown color में. This one the size which will fit 40, 42, 44. Okay? The size which will fit 40, 42, 44. 38 को भी जाएगा. As I said, मैं पहन रही हूँ. So you can imagine that way. Okay, otherwise 40, 42, 44 can go. Neck आपका ऐसे रहेंगे. It's a very very smart soft woolen piece. So these were the collections for today. I hope you liked it. Please do like and subscribe my channel, the new viewers. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and do keep shopping. And yes, if you want to join my WhatsApp group, please do WhatsApp me. I will be mentioning the link as well.